Hi, this is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom.
I read about using Epsom salts on your garden.
I thought, well, I don't want to put salt on my garden, but it isn't really salt. This is a magnesium sulfate.
It was recommended when your plants have yellowing leaves, so I thought I'd give it a try. I got my Epsom salts at the pharmacy.
Tried it out back, and it's just like the next day was wonderful. I'm using an 1/8 cup measure, which is the same as 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of Epsom salts in my jug. Now fill it up to the 2 gallon. I found that if I take this nozzle off, it will pour in a little easier and faster. Get it down in the dirt. We want the roots to be watered, not just very tip top. So I'm doing about 1 gallon on that big jug there. One thing that makes a plant a little healthier is if you remove the bad leaves that are on it.
Flowers that are dying, I just take those off too. Now we're going to pour that Epsom salt water right onto the base of the flowers and give them a good drink.
I'm seeing a lot more buds coming in. I'm noticing the richer color, especially in this one over here. Love it. And that's after 1 day.
In the backyard, I'm comparing. This was 1 week after applying, and now let's look and see what it looks like after 2 weeks. We give them another dose in 2 weeks. Then we repeat that only if the leaves are starting to yellow. Epsom salts really helps tomatoes, peppers, and other vegetables too. Here's my eggplant before applying, and now the day after. The green is richer and deeper.
This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching.
If you'd like to see more, go to youtube.com/an Iowa Mom videos. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.